Here's some simple actions on how to use PatientVR on your Meta Quest VR headset. We're using the Meta Quest 3S headset here, and here's how you pull the menu or taskbar closer to you. The 9 dots icon on the bottom menu bar helps you get to the full app library. Once PatientVR starts, you will find a set of help instructions that will take you through the onboarding of PatientVR. At any point, you can use the thumbs up in front of your headset to go back to the home menu. Tap your index and thumb together to open any application in your Meta Quest 3S headset. Inside the experience, you'll be able to interact naturally with objects, pick them up, throw them, paint them, or stack them, just like in real life. If the menu screen is not in your view, you reset it by bringing all the 5 fingers in front of your eyes. Hold it for a few seconds until you see the menu appear in front of you again. The thumbs down action at any time gets rid of the menu. To access any activity, all you need to do is use your index and thumb to tap. To bring the menu in front, you use the 5 fingers action in front of your eye. Remember, thumbs up to bring the home menu up again and thumbs down to hide. You can choose from a variety of activities such as hand exercises, bowling, painting, slingshot, and more. Fun experiences you're sure to enjoy. To quit PatientVR, quickly open and close all 5 fingers in front of your eyes, which will come up with the window where you can choose to resume using PatientVR, or you can quit PatientVR.